Started with a spark, forest turned to ash. Mother Nature flexing, she about to splash. Seeds in the wind, soil's fertile embrace. Baby buds rising, reclaiming this space. Burnt trunks to green, cycle come around. Grass pushing through, flora's battleground. Insects buzzing, birds beckoning the dawn. Life re-inhabits where havoc had drawn. Forest redemption, balance in the air. Critters coming back, habitats repaired. Nature's tenacity, relentless grind. Secondary succession, life redefined. Roots shoot deep, fungus strikes a deal. Symbiotic vibe, soil starts to heal. Shrubs and saplings join nature's parade. A patchwork of beauty, a bright green cascade. Deer grazing softly, wolves on the prowl. Harmonious resurgence, nature's gospel howl. Streams flowing clearer, skies brighter blue. Balanced ecosystem, reborn and renewed. From ruin to riot, a comeback parade. Nature's revival in the sun and shade. Patience and power, seeds in the breeze. Secondary succession, nature's expertise. From ruin to riot, a comeback parade. Nature's revival in the sun and shade. Patience and power, seeds in the breeze. Secondary succession, nature's expertise.